Ugocha awanzemilize, ugocha awanzemilize, oke nkịta jisi anyọkọ awanzemilize, ikwekirikwe nwanụ m udo awanzemilize, gbanienu na alụ emeno awanzemilize, ugocha awanzemilize. Once upon a time, a hunter called Uchefu was hunting in the forest and killed a lion and its two cubs. He brought the lion home. The whole village celebrated him and gave him the title of Dinta, the greatest hunter in the community. Uchefu glowed in the name and was so proud of the name. And because he got that name, it was sought after. Women came to marry him. People were asking for him to marry them. I mean, girls, eligible girls, beautiful girls. But he was the celebrity. So one day, a maiden that was so beautiful, the beauty was beyond description, came to the village square with other maidens from the villages from far away from Uchefu's village to attend the festival in the village. Uchefu